Hi and welcome into another LeetCode challenge. Today we'll be dealing with an easy one, linked list cycle. Given head, the head of a linked list determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. There is a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. Internally, pos is used to denote the index of the node that tail's next pointer is connected to. Note that pos is not passed as a param. Return true if there is a cycle in the linked list, otherwise return false. We have a first example that 3 points to 2, 2 points to 0, 0 points to -4, and then there is a cycle that points to 2, so we are in a loop here. The input is a head and pos which was passed is 1, output true, Example second, 1 points to 2, 2 points to 1, and it's in a cycle, so we still return true. And the third example is that there is only one single node, so we will return false. Okay, so let's think about it and get back to the solution. Alright, so we are back in the LeetCode console. I will be using JavaScript, but you can use many other languages as well. So the idea to solve it would be that, let's say, we can create some kind of an object in which we will store what nodes we have seen already, and if the current node was already seen, then we will just know that there is a cycle. So let's try to code this solution and it will make more sense. So let's firstly create a set. So we will do let nodes equal new set. We'll create a set. It will be easier for us to manage it, and the values there needs to be unique, so that's another thing on the plus side. And we need to declare and keep a track of our current head. So let's do that current will equal to head. And now what we want to do, we would like to iterate through all the elements in the linked list. So we will use a while for it. While is a very common approach dealing with such problems, and here when we want to do this while loop, so the while loop will go until the current node won't be null, because if the current node will be null, we will know that we reached the end of the linked list and there is no coming back, so there is no cycle in that. So while we are doing that, we need to check firstly if we already seen that node. So we will do it this way. If nodes has, so we are checking in the nodes set if it has already the current node. If it has, we will return true, because in this example we will know that we hit a cycle because we are actually second time on the same node. And if we didn't find it, we will add it to a set and just move to another node. So let's do this. Nodes add, not as, current, and this will be the first thing, and the second thing will be moving the current to the next pointer. So this will be it, and at the end, if we'll go through all the elements and get out of this while loop, we will return false because we didn't find any matching nodes the same, so the cycle is not present. So let's run it. Okay, 3 are accepted, and let's run the whole suite. Yeah, and we are accepted as well. So that will be one of the solutions to this problem. Hope you learned something new, and see ya in another one.